So on the critic, I got problem B, and it was the limit as x approaches 5, and on the top it is the square root of x squared plus 24, and then minus 7, and then that's all over x minus 5. So first, as you can see at the top up there, I multiplied by the reciprocal of the numerator, so it was the square root of x squared plus 24 plus 7 over the same thing. And then if you factor the top, you get x squared plus 24 minus 49. And then on the bottom, I kept that so that we can cancel later on. And then the top goes down to x squared minus 25. And then I factored it out in order for the x minus 5s to cancel. So it's, on the top it would be x plus 5, x minus 5. And then that way that they can cancel on the top, on the numerator and denominator there. And then all we have left is x plus 5 all over the square root of x squared plus 24 plus 7, since the x minus 5 cancel out. And then after that, I forgot to draw it, but there's an arrow up there. It's the limit of x to 5. X approaches 5. So I just plugged in 5 on the numerator and denominator for x. And then it was 5 plus 5 all over the square root of 5 squared plus 24, and then plus 7. And then that just simplifies down to 10 fourteenths. And then we can simplify 10 fourteenths down to 5 sevenths for our answer. So as the limit, the square root of x squared plus 24 minus 7 all over x minus 5 approaches 5, as x approaches 5, you'll get 5 sevenths.